Most welcome to our channel all about art. My dear friend, this is Mo. Today we will be talking about the shallow stream or shallow water with painting. Friends, water of such depth that surface waves are noticeably affected by bottom topography. Before we begin, if you get any value from this video, consider liking it and subscribing to the channel. Friend, I have shown the different colors in leaves, stone in the foreground first, though most of the sky is covered in final painting. The steps show blending of background into existing sky color with light. So it is 80% yellow, 10% light blue, 5% light green, and the rest paper white. It is because the sky is away from the viewer's eyes. Now, notice a shadow in the foreground in burnt sienna, cadmium yellow, ultramarine blue, and smallest amount of crimson to subdue brightness. These create the illusion of distance. When flow of water is impeded, it is always represented by light color. I hesitate to say white. Really, is it ever pure white? The water is in fact not colorless. Even pure water is not colorless but has a slight blue tint to it. So add a touch of blue to soften the brilliance of water. The color of water varies with the ambient conditions in which that water is present. Friend, I have some example about that. From pink to turquoise, these naturally colorful water bodies around the world go against everything we learned about geography. But that doesn't mean they are not real. Number one, a vast expanse of reddish brown water greets you at the southern end of Bolivia. This rust-like color of this shallow saltwater lake is a natural phenomenon which occurs due to sediments and algae in the water. Number two, Lake Hillier in Western Australia, located on Middle Island, is an entirely pink water body that bears a resemblance to a large pool of liquid bubblegum. The color is said to be attributed to a large presence of Dunaliella salina microalgae in the lake. Number 3. The hot spring in the Yellowstone National Park, Wyoming, USA, in a colorful water body with green, orange, and yellow colors, etc. Dear friend, the shallow stream may seem quite complicated until you study the tone of the colors, and then it becomes quite simple. Remember that as you paint that water is colorless, but here it is colorful. It comes from diffused light due to canopy and its reflection. Friend, water running over the stream bed is clear, allowing the rock color to be shown through. Notice at these points, it should be in a rounded pattern with ultramarine blue, chrome green, white, crimson, etc. My dear friend, don't miss the fun of painting and stay with us. Thank you. Thanks a lot.